Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can work for Postmates. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. So the first thing that you need to do guys is search for the Postmates application on your phone and then go ahead and click on it. And after that, wait for the app to load. So after the app has loaded, you're gonna be right here. This is how the homepage looks like. So as you can see guys, here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. So there is the home section, the browse section, cards, and lastly accounts. So what you need to do guys is go ahead and click on accounts. And then you're going to be right here in your account page. So as you can see guys, you're going to find a lot of options. So the option that you need to go for is earn by driving or delivering. Go ahead and click on it. And then once you click on it, you're going to be right here. So as you can see guys right here, earn with Uber. Decide when, where, and how you want to earn. Where would you like to earn? So right here, you need to type the place where you want to earn. For example, I'm going to type Los Angeles. And right here, you can type the referral code. It's optional, so if you don't want to, you can just go ahead and click on next. And then once you click on next, you're gonna find this page which is choose how you want to earn with Uber. Right in delivery with car, right with car, delivery with scooter, or delivery with bicycle. So any option that you want to use, just go ahead and click on continue. And then just you need to follow the steps. You need to tell about your vehicle and follow all the steps until you are able to earn money with Uber. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.